Welcome everyone. The first step to make Dual app in your Nothing phone is you're going to open up the Google Play Store and you want to get this one, multiple accounts Dual Space. And once you've downloaded this app, let's open it up. Notifications. Let's allow this one that allows the Dual app to have notifications. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions. The access to all the files, this is required so that the Dual apps can be created. From here, let's tap on the plus, and let's say I want to have two. Oh, let's have two messages. So it's now going to add, and it's going to clone, and the application has been cloned. So let's go out of here. If we go back into the Dual Accounts app, you have the cloned messages, and this is how you open up the Dual Messages app. So if we have a look here, you can see the app icon is not the messages, it's a clone. And if I go to the regular Messages app, you can see there is a message here. On the clone, there is no message. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.